This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Bethany White. Conveniently located 2-story, 3-bedroom and 2.5-bath condo in the heart of Kempsville. Easy access to I-64, colleges, public and private schools, the Amphitheater, hospital, shopping and more. Open and spacious floor plan with a gas fireplace. A private, fenced-in backyard with a deck, for relaxing and entertaining. Condo fee includes a community pool, water, sewer, trash and ground maintenance. Ceiling fan in living room does not convey. Go and show. For more information, review the details below.